tomorrow we'll discuss big program. Today we'll discuss some small program using Q. Yeah, guys, come. See, Q. First take a Q. Yes, void main function. Here what I have to write, guys? Here we need to write int Q of size. Okay, what is size? You need to declare rear equals to -1 and front equals to -1, guys. Declare front also -1. Here as defined, size is how much? Size 3 or 5. Take 5. Okay, I want to declare this main. Okay, while of 1, clear screen. Right, what is while of 1? You know this. True it is. Insert the element. Okay, which position you want to insert? When inserting rear plus plus, right? Enter right here. What I have to insert? Printf enter an element. Now I want to write enter an element. Right? How to enter an element? Scanf. We need to write which location you have to insert percentile d. Right? Q of address of Q of rear position. Address of Q of rear. Okay, what is rear? First it takes 0. Why? Because first initial value is 0, right? That element position you need to write. Enter an element that Q of percentile. What is this percentile? Here you can write, guys, rear, which position it is pointing. Okay, whenever if rear is 0, already I told you this point, if rear equals to 0, then immediately we have to write front becomes 0. Okay, remember this point. I told you, right? This one. If rear is first to front -1, rear minus. Whenever rear is 0, automatically it should become 0. That point you need to understand. Rear is 0, front is 0. Okay. Now this element will execute continuously. After that, we need to check when it is full. We have to come back. Okay. When you have to write here, first rear plus plus, rear plus plus. If rear equals to size -1, if rear equals to size minus, first 0, next to 1, okay, next to 2. When it is 2, element has to store. After that, next time it has to check it. Okay, next time if front equals to 0, you have it return. Here, if rear equals to size -1, if rear equals to size -1, write it, guys, printf q is overflow. Q is overflow. Nothing but a q is full and break. We need to write a break here. Q is full and break. This is a two statements. Write a parenthesis, guys. See, we can see this. 5 locations I have to written. Size is 5. Once execute, guys. Execute. 7 errors because of functions. Save as q1.c. q1.c. Yes. See, guys. 3 errors. Undefined symbol q. Okay. Here instead of a, write a q. Q it is. Execute. 2 errors. Statement missing. Break statement. Semicolon missing. Yeah, enter an element. First element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. Cube is filled. After that, I want to display. Okay, how to display? Take for displaying elements. Printf, I want to display those elements. How I am displaying? Displaying elements. Displaying elements. Okay, always Q points take from Q. Okay, which location it is pointing, which location you need to point, right? Here what I'm taking, I equals to front position. Don't write 0. I equals to where it is pointing, front. I less than or equals to rear. Okay, how many elements are there? I plus plus. If it deleted also, it displays. That's why it should not display. That's why you need to write this printf of those elements I want to print. Okay, slash and percentile d equals to, okay, which element you want to display? Q of percentile d equals to Q of percentile d equals to percentile d. Okay, what is first percentile d? It is I and Q of I and Q of I. Once see the output, you can understand. On error, undefined symbol I. We need to declare I also. Now I am declaring I. Once execute 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. See this? Queue is full and displaying elements. Q of 0, Q of 1, Q of 2, Q of 3, and yeah, guys, write this program. We discuss tomorrow big program. Okay, first write this.